Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week, so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. It will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we'll move any further, I want to let you know about Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Motorola Video Baby Monitor MBP50G2. Here are its features. 5. Diagonal color screen. Watch real-time video of your baby's room on the 5 inches diagonal color screen and never miss a moment. Plus, with the pan, tilt and zoom feature, you can move the camera around and zoom in to get a better view of the nursery and your baby. Remote pan, tilt and zoom. Want to check on other areas of the baby's room? Easily adjust the viewing angle remotely for both cameras via the handy parent unit. Just use the arrows to pan left and right, as well as tilt up and down. Use the magnifying glass to zoom in and out, so you can get a closer view of your little one. Two-way communication. With the two-way communication feature, you can hear your little one clearly, then soothe them with your voice from another room. Infrared night vision. Infrared LED lights on the cameras allow you to see your little one clearly, day or night. Impressive display. Video Baby Monitor set includes a parent control unit, which is fitted with a 5 inches LCD color display. This shows you the feed from both cameras simultaneously via its split screen feature. The camera and 5 inches display unit can transmit up to 1,000 feet apart, ensuring you stay updated whether you're mowing the lawn or cleaning the attic. Alerts let you know when you're out of range, or low on batteries. Room temperature monitoring. The MBP50G2 is fitted with temperature sensors. Use the 5 inches display screen to monitor the room temperature, to ensure the room isn't too hot or too cold for your little one. Comfort through communication. Infant Monitor acts as a two-way intercom system, allowing you to speak to and reassure your precious angel with your soothing words through the camera's built-in speakers. The cameras are designed with a high-sensitivity microphone that can catch the slightest sounds, alerting you once your baby starts crying. Your eyes in the dark. View a real-time video feed of your little one's room on the parent unit's 5 LCD color screen. Its infrared night vision feature gives you a clear video feed at nighttime. Dedicated parenting support. Expand the abilities of your Motorola Baby Monitor with the Hubble for Motorola Monitors app. Use the growth and development tracker to log your baby's height and weight, sleeping times, feeding quantities, diaper changes, and mom's pumping durations. You can also read baby facts of the day to learn about your baby's cognitive development. Receive sleep and parenting tips through articles and videos that are specific to your baby's age. Here are its specifications.